Greetings, I am your lead engineer, here to show you what powers our world today. Let us start by looking at the most reliable and bright source in our vast sky. The sun sends us more energy in an hour than the whole world uses in a full year. Then there is the wind, a restless giant we can harness wherever the air moves. A constant flow of falling water provides a steady, rhythmic heartbeat of power. However, some energy is hidden deep underground and is actually quite ancient. Fossil fuels are the remains of ancient life, packed with concentrated energy. Leaks are a danger because this energy source is messy and hard to clean up. We must be careful, for the old ways of energy can hurt our home if we are not smart. The future is bright and clean, so let us keep the world buzzing the right way.